Well, if you haven't heard the exciting news, we have just released our brand new Sweet Pea Studio. It's an online learning hub on our website with all of our instructional content in one place. The most exciting thing about this news is we've made it free to use. So if you're a beginner in machine embroidery, this is the place for you. Or if you've been doing machine embroidery for a long time and you want to expand your skills, this is also a thing that's really going to take your embroidery to the next level. And to even go one step further, we're offering 2 free designs as well on Sweet Pea Studio. So when you're following along with the instructional content, you can practice the new skills on a design that was free to purchase. To promote this exciting news, I'm going to be making one of those free designs. The one that I'm going to be making today is the lamb zipper purse. This cute little design is perfect for a beginner. It takes you through all the basic steps to learn machine embroidery. From hooping up, doing applique and embroidery, and even adding a zipper into the hoop. This is an exciting video for some exciting news, and I really hope you enjoy. Just a quick disclaimer before we start. This is not an instructional video. This is made for entertainment purposes only. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. And make sure you check out Sweet Pea Studio today. I will leave a link in the description of this video. Enjoy the video.
So it's the width of the zip tape, and we need to stick our zip to our stabilizer. Try and stick it to the outside edge and try not to get the sticky onto your batting, because the washi tape is actually quite adherent and it will actually stick to the batting quite easily, and we want to actually make sure that zip pull is actually fixed with a bit of tape so it doesn't get in the way of the foot when stitching.
I just finished my lamb zipper purse, and what a fun experience that was. Watching the video tutorial on Sweet Pea Studio really made this process a breeze. I had fun while learning some in-the-hoop basics. If you want to make your own lamb zipper purse or any other designs, make sure to jump onto sweetpea.com. That is SWPEA.com. Happy crafting and happy learning.